Okay, guys, I've been looking so crusty. My nails are not done. My lashes are not done. I've not had a pedicure in a while. Like, I look so crusty and I don't feel like that girl. I still look better like this. This is what I look like without my wig. I've not done my hair in like 3 weeks or maybe even longer. Let me just wear this wig back. So I'm going to dedicate this week to looking my best and like feeling like that girl again. I got this thingy from Junior. I just received it now. I've not even opened it yet. Yeah. I got this tooth gem kit because I want grills, and bro, grills are so expensive. Sure, there'll be manual or something. I ain't seeing shit. I have to leave like now because my hairstylist is now forming in, and you have to book appointment, pay 50% of the price before your appointment is secured. If you come after 20 minutes, you pay 5k for late fee or something. But it's fine. I already put the wig in this wig bag. Then I plan to edit at the salon, so I'll take my headphones, then my power bank, very important because I didn't charge my phone. I don't know, anytime I forget to plug my phone before I sleep at night, my battery just always low throughout the day. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm supposed to go with my sister, but if she's going to delay me, I'm just going to book over and go. I have to get comb too because I'm going to be losing my hair in the car. We love a multitasking queen. This cap has been with me through thick and thin. No cap. I got this perfume at Miniso. It's called Only You Perfume Collection number 852. And then I have this candle perfume. Ada got it for me last year, December, for my birthday. This perfume is like 80k-ish. This one is just like 2k. And they smell exactly the same. I know Scandal is going to last longer though. But like this perfume smells really nice and it's like 2k, probably even less, and it smells exactly like Scandal. Never skip this step. Errand babe, running errands. I'm actually wearing a dress today. I never wear a dress. I don't know what came over me, guys. I don't know what came over me. And you know, I just have to carry these glasses because it dresses me up. It just completes the look. You feel me? My room is still a mess from last night, by the way. I even did laundry and I've not taken care of that. When I get back, I'll do that because right now I kind of have to run. I have to run. When this lady started making my hair, I just knew that she didn't really know what she was doing, because the way she was parting the hair, twisting my hair, pulling my scalp. But I mean, I don't even like making my hair because my scalp is always paining me. So at a point I turned and asked her, how much am I going to pay for these cornrows, because the patterns are not straight, the hair doesn't look neat. I was so ready to fight. Then she was not like, cornrows are free at their salon because the wig is going to be on top, so I'm not going to pay for the cornrows. So I calmed down, but I was also ready to fight. I knew you were wondering why I sat down for such a long time, and then when I was leaving there was no wig on my head. I did a glueless install because I had them curl the hair, so I want the curls to be fresh this morning. I have to get to the makeup appointment by 10. So I just finished installing my hair, and as you can see, my nails are not done because when I left that salon yesterday, I'm not even going to lie, I was tired. I didn't feel like going anywhere else. Came straight home because I just wanted to sleep. So I got press-on nails on Instagram. These were like 12k. I can't remember the last time I went to a salon to do my nails because I don't like sitting down for long, and you have to sit down for like 3 hours if you're doing the type of nails that I used to do. This glue is strong. Like this glue will have my nails on for 2 weeks. Bro, press-ons are so convenient. I don't think I'll be able to go back to doing like proper acrylics, because these ones are acrylics too, and you just use the super glue and it stays on for like 2 weeks. So what's the difference? And you can still remove it and use it again. See, nails done in like 5 minutes. Press-on is the way, guys. Like, don't let anybody lie to you. It's the same thing. It even looks better sometimes. Anyways, I already packed my bag. I'm about to go and get my makeup done professionally. She said she's going to be 30 minutes late. So I'll just watch a movie or something, and then when she texts me, I'll be on my way. This is the hair. Where's the lace, bro? Where's the lace?
Say I'll be nothing without you. Slow down, now you way to make me to run wild. Slow it sometime, no lie. Plenty women make me to run wild. Slow it sometime. I need to slow down, yeah. So many things we could have been.
I just woke up from my lash nap. So yeah, I just go back home, and I think I want to get my nails done today, because my toes look very bad. I don't think I've done my toes since I came back from UK, and that's been like almost 2 months or maybe even more. My toenails and my nails, they look horrible. I don't think I can survive with long nails again, because if you remember in 2020 my nails used to be this long. But bro, I don't think I can survive with long nails again. I'm just over it. It's just very discomforting for no reason. By the way, I just got a package. I just got a package from ISB. Don't play. No. I finally got the ISB bag, guys. I've been waiting for this bag for like 2 months. I don't know. It just refused to come, but now it's finally here. Oh shit. I forgot to show you guys this one. So I got 2 packages. I got one package from MAC and one from ISB. Don't play. I'm so happy. I'm not even going to lie. I was supposed to go and do my nails after I did my lashes, but I low-key ran back home because I heard that they delivered these packages. They delivered this one last night, but I heard that they brought my ISB bag. So I ran back home. I'm about to head out again soon. So I'm switching to Snapchat cam now, in case I'm not looking at you guys. You guys, I just got 2 packages, all from MAC, and you guys, my ISB bag just came. In case you didn't know, we're not a lot that own this bag. Don't play, bro. It's giving go yard. It's giving go yard. What's up, guys? It's still maintenance week, and today I'm going to get my nails done because I've not done anything to my nails in time. I've just been doing press-ons. So I want to paint my nails and do my toes. I don't think I want to get a pedicure though. I'll just do my toenails. Then I'll go and get some things at the mall because I need some toiletries. I need to get micellar water, wipes, you know, all those things. Being a fine girl is not easy, but anywho, yeah, I'm about to head out. You see the thing with lash extensions, if you don't brush them, they will not be looking nice. But anyways, I'm already getting to look like myself again. My hair is done, lashes done. Now when I get my nails done, I just need to make one post and there'll be 20,000 in my DM.
Time to slow down. So many things we could have been. You left me so cold. You know that I need you. Now I feel so cold. I gotta get even. Still I want you close. Sometimes I need you. I never forget you. But I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway. I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway.
on, guys, good morning. I feel like I look presentable now. My nails are done, lashes done, hair done. By the way, I changed my hair yesterday because I wanted to shoot a video. I forgot to show you what I went to get. I got this. I forgot to show you guys what I went to get at the store yesterday. I got some cotton wool balls, cotton pads. I don't know, I didn't find this micellar water, and this is the only micellar water I use. Then I also got this spray and then makeup wipes. Just normal stuff, you know. I still have some things on my list, like this micellar water. Now I didn't get this one, and some other things. I'll check another ShopRite. I don't know, ShopRite doesn't really have stuff these days, if you ask me. So I'll probably check H Medics or another store I can get something. I feel like I only have ginger to create content a lot when I look like this. Filming, my hair is done, my lashes are done, nails are done, everything is done, and I look presentable. But I'm not gonna lie, being a babe, being a fine babe is expensive, because all of these things cost, you know, money. But yeah, that's the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's still me, your favorite girl. Yeah, peace out.